Good afternoon, Impactors. For those of you who've never been to the Pioneer Plaza in downtown Dallas, just going to do a quick video to show you what they got. Guess they got some steers here. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and let you kind of get a view of what's going on. Got some gentleman, I don't know who he is on the horse up there. Not sure who he is, but these are all metal statues that they have here. I'm gonna do a walkthrough, let you check it out. I got some stairs here. I got to navigate on the rocks, so let me be careful as I shoot this so I don't hurt myself. Anyway, let's go down and see what's going on here. These are actually, I don't know if they're life size or they're actually bigger. I've never really been up that close to one of these things in real life, so we're gonna walk down, let you take a look at it, see what this is all about. So, pretty neat. Guess they got a herd of these things. That's the theme anyway. I would say they got, I don't know, 20 of these things, 30 of these things. Okay, I'm gonna go down and see what we got. Let me step back a little bit so you can see a better view from the distance. This video may be a little rocky because I'm walking and kind of keeping an eye on things because I do not want to fall and possibly hurt myself out here. That wouldn't be too good. Kind of give you a view of this thing as we go. Pretty nice. And like I said, I guess they probably got 20 of these things, 25 of these things. As you can see in the distance there a little bit. Very nice. And this is Pioneer Plaza. Let's see what we got. And like I say, if you've never been down here, good little spot to come out. It's not very big. You won't spend a whole bunch of time down here, but it's definitely worth coming down, take a walk through here and check it out. We're on the back side of this thing. So I'll give you a panoramic view of this thing as we go, so you can take a good look at it. Kind of a neat feature here. So it goes all the way up the hill and it kind of comes down. So there you have it. Pioneer Plaza, downtown Dallas. They got the cattle drive, we can call it that, and you can get a feel of what this is all about and see how these things are. I mean, this thing is really, really big. I'm not sure if this is actual size, but it's actually pretty big. So there you have it. Just sharing a quick video with you guys. Downtown Plaza, Pioneer Plaza, downtown Dallas. If you're not doing anything one day and you want to come take a look, come on down. Spend I don't know, 30 minutes down here and take a look. Okay, until next time, Impactors, be safe.